Good evening, everybody. Today we will be discussing the analytical reasoning section of AILET paper, which happened today. So, before we go on to solve this, first we will write down all the alphabets in sets of 5: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, then P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, for example, if you want to find out the value of M, it will be 5, 10, 15, and 2 less. So, M will be 30. Like this, you will be able to know the values of all the alphabets. So, the series goes like this. So, 3, 5, 9, 15. 3, 5, 9, 15. I'm just capturing the numerical numbers here. 3, 5, 9, 15. So the gap is 2. Here the gap is 4. Here the gap is 6. So the next one should have a gap of 8. So it will be 23. 23. Now with 23, you have two options: P and starting with P and starting with U. Now, how do we go about this? So it is like A, the first alphabet, then C, then G, then M. A is 1, C is 3, G is 7, and M is 13. So here the gap is 2, here the gap is 4, here the gap is 6. So the gap should be 8, which is 21, and 21 is your U. So therefore U23 should be the correct answer. So therefore C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Hope this is clear to everybody. Hope this is clear to everybody. Yeah, let's go to this one. So let's again focus to the numbers 2, 4, 8, 16. So obviously the numbers are multiplying by 2. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So the next number will be 16 to the 32. So with 32 we have option A and option B. So whether it should be O or whether it should be P is we need to decide. We need to decide. Then, so let's look at the alphabets A, C, F, and J. A, C, F, and J. A is 1, C is 3, F is 6, J is 10. So the gap of 2, gap of 3, gap of 4. So next gap should be 5. Therefore 15 should come. What is 15? 15 is O. So O32 should be the correct answer. So that is option number A. Hope this is clear to you, everybody. Yes, so it's very simple questions have come in this year. Okay, let's move to the next one. So 1A, 2D, 4D, 8H. So again 1, if you focus on the numbers, 1, 2, 4, 8. Again the numbers are getting multiplied by 2. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 should come. With 16 you have two options, P and L. So what should come? So we should focus on the alphabets A, B, D, and H. A is 1, B is 2, D is 4, H is 8. So again here also it is doubling. So this will be 16. What is 16? 16 is P. So P16 should be the correct answer. So therefore the answer is 16. Hope this is clear. So very fairly simple puzzles have been asked. Next one is 2, 5, 10, 17. So difference of 3, difference of 5, difference of 7. So next one should have a difference of 9, 17 and 9 should be 26. 26 means Z. Okay, 26 is the number that we are looking at. So 26, the only option is A26. So therefore that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. So this one is fairly simple. 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 into 2, 38, 38 plus 1, 39, 39 into 2, 78, 78 plus 1, 79, 79 to the 158, 158 plus 1, 159. So option B is the right answer. So very fairly simple series. You're just doubling the previous element and then adding by 1. Now let's look at this BCXH ADBT. So B is 2, C is 3, the numeral position, X is 25, X is 24, 24, 2 plus 4, 6 is used. So this is where we need to focus on. So X value is actually 24, but 2 plus 4 is 6, and H value is straight away 8. So 8 is used. Then 1, 4, 2, and T is 20. So 20 also 2 plus 0 will be 2. So this is how I have coded the question. The same thing we will apply for KT, LBP, PT, BA. So A should end with 1, B should end with 2. T is also 20, so 20 is 2 plus 0, 2. P is 16, 1 plus 6, 7. So ending with 7 2 2 1. Ending with 7 2 2 1. That is the only option. So A is the right answer. A is the right answer. So B is 1, D, E, F is 3. This is 3, 3, 6, 7. So series goes like this 1, 3, 7. So the difference is 2, here the difference is 4. So here the difference should be 6. So it should be a 13 letter word. With B and D, there is a gap of 1. With F and H, there is a gap of G, 1. So after N, there will be a gap of O to start with P. So starting with P and having 13 alphabets, starting with P and having 13 alphabets, best fit option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, and 14. 4, okay, this is 8. This is 12 and 13. So 13, so option B will be the right answer. We are looking at starting with P and having length of 13 alphabets. So that is option number B. Let's go to the next one. X 2A B 6 C6. So let's focus on the number first. 2, 6, 12, 20. Difference is 4. Difference is 6. Difference is 8. So next difference should be 10. So the answer should be with 30. With 30. I think there is some typing mistake. There was one answer option with 30. That is option B. It was P30. It was P30I. So 30 is correct. So we can straight away take 30. No need to check for P and I. So there is a typing mistake. So correct answer is option B. It was P30I. Yeah, let's look at 112. So there are some conditions that are given. Subjects are criminal law, property law, economics, legal, and English. So all subjects must be held once. Legal and English cannot immediately. So legal and English cannot come together. Not come together. Economics must immediately precede property. So economics must immediately precede property. Economics must immediately follow English. So English should be here. English should be here. Criminal law cannot be the second or the last. Criminal cannot be the second or the last subject. Not the second or the fifth. So which of the following schedule is valid? So let's look at option D. We see there could be multiple options which are possible. So you have to go by the answer options. So we are looking at English, economics, and property law in that particular order. So that is one, and English, economics, property law. So only these two options are possible. The rest B and C can be eliminated. So let's look at whether D satisfies this criminal law. Yes, so C is not at 2 or the fifth position. That is okay. These three things should come together. Last one is L, and L and E should not come together, which is fine. So everything is matching. So answer option D is the right answer. Answer option D is the right answer. So multiple answers could be possible. So that is why you should always go with answer options in this case. So only look for what condition that we have taken to identify which options can be eliminated. Here B and C can be eliminated. A and D are possible choices. So I just went with checking option D. That came out to be correct. It satisfies all the conditions. So therefore that is the right answer. So again, there are some conditions are given. Sholay is there. Sholay is there. RRR is there. Slumdog Millionaire is there. PK is there. And Dangal is there. And some conditions are there that Sholay and Dangal should not be together. Sholay and Dangal should not be together. R must go after SM. So after SM, R should go. What else? PK cannot be the first or the last movie. So PK cannot be the first or last movie. And DL must necessarily be one removed from SM. So SM and one space and then D. So which answer option does that have? SM and D, SM and D. Yeah, this looks D looks to be okay, and even D also looks to be okay with respect to this condition. Then PK should not be in the first of all, so B is ruled out. Answer option D is the correct answer. Answer option D is the correct answer. Hope this is clear to everybody. Yeah, so we just need to follow our own language, write down all the conditions involved, and then just see within the answer options which one is the satisfies all the conditions. That's all you need to do. You do not need to first find the entire set because multiple options will be possible. So among the answer options, which one is correct or not? So A, X, B by C are there. A, X, B by C is there. A and Y cannot be on the consecutive days. So A and Y should not be together. C must always be followed by B. So C should be followed by B. B and A cannot be on alternate days. So B and A cannot be on alternate days. Alternate meaning it will be something like this. B gap A. That is not okay. B and A cannot be done on the alternate days. X cannot be done on the first day of the week. X should not be the first one. No exercise can be repeated in the week. Okay. No exercise can be repeated in the week. So if you look at the C option, X is not at the first, so this is satisfied. With B and A, they're immediate, they're not alternate, that is also fine. C and B should come together, that is coming together, this is also fine. A and Y should not be together, it's also not there, so C satisfies all the conditions, so therefore C is the right answer. Yeah, with this, we are done with the analytical reasoning section. So, hope you have understood all the solutions. So, you can always reach out to me if you have any doubts. Thank you, everybody.